Hey guys, my name is Chase. I'm here with SKIER'S Marine today. I want to give you guys some information and some tech tips on how to maintain your strainer inside your boat. First things first, we got to find the strainer. The strainer sits back here behind the engine hatch. All you have to do is move this little seat back. It's your flip seat. Pick it up, slide it back, and then this just easily pops up. Now once you have the engine hatch popped up, you have two small levers that sit behind this hatch. You want to take this hatch out of your way so that you can get down to the strainer to work on it. Just flip these two out, and then I can pull this back and out. And as you can see from here, you can see everything with the engine. Now if we get down here and you look close, you can see this plastic container. This is your strainer. Water feeds up from the lake, and when it comes up, it goes through your strainer, and it's your first line of defense on when you want to keep grass, any dirt, debris out, and to keep your engine running cool and safe. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this top off and we're going to pull the strainer out. We're going to make sure it's clean. So this just spins off. Nice and easy. And then you can pop it out. And then here is your strainer. You want to make sure that's clean of debris. So we'll go rinse that out, clean it out real good, and then it fits right back in where it's supposed to go. All right, so once we have the strainer cleaned out and we put it back in, the next thing we're going to do is put the top back on it. Now on this top, there's a gasket, and it's black, and it sits right around the edge of this lip. And when you go to put it in, you got to make sure you don't kink or bend it or break it, because if you don't, you won't get a proper seal. And without a proper seal, this boat won't cool properly. So we're going to be very careful when we put this back on. It just pops right in place, and then you can spin the strainer on. Just tighten it till it's tight, and there you go. So once you get that all put back together, now's the process of putting everything else back together in the boat. So you want to grab your hatch again, and just drop it down in place. We're going to put those two latches back in. All right, once you close this, you're good to go. And that's your tech tip for the strainer for the week. I definitely recommend doing this job at least every time you go out, or at least every time you come back in, so that you know that you're not getting any kind of restriction in your water flow to keep your boat running properly. I want to thank you guys again, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us and follow us so that you could also find other tech tips that might be helpful for you and your family during the summer adventures. Thanks.